All right, now this next one I'll work out with you. So we have this graph, and as you can see, it's different from the other ones we've done because this one goes down, right? So if you're looking from left to right, it goes down. All right, so let's start off with our equation. Y equals mx plus b, okay? Remember, b is my y-intercept. So this is my line, and this is my y-axis, right? So where does this line intersect with the y? Oh, right there. Do you see that number? That's 2, okay? So my y-intercept is 2. Now, slope. Do you remember how to find slope? It's up here. Rise over run. So, lucky for you, there's already 2 points. So let's start here. I'm going to rise. Let's see. 1, 2. I went up 2. Right? Okay, so there's that top part. Now I'm going to run 1. Do you notice something different about this one? You're going to the left. So when you're going left on the number line, it means you're going a negative direction. So this one is going to be negative. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and put everything else in. Y, your x, and that plus, okay? So let's look back here. We got 2 over negative 1. Let's clean it up. How can I simplify that? Yes, it will be negative 2. 2 divided by negative 1 is a negative 2. All right. Okay, that looks a lot better, right? Y equals negative 2x plus 2. I'm going to use this for my process piece, okay? Now, you can pick any numbers here, but again, I'll start with 0. I'll take it easy on you guys. 0, 1, and let's jump to 3 actually. I want to show something. All right, so 0, 1, and I'll jump to 3. Again, it doesn't matter what order these go in really, or what numbers you want to put in, as long as these inputs produce the correct output, okay? All right, let's use our equation. So notice I don't put the y because this is my y, okay? All right, there's my x plus 2. Now, the reason why I put the x in parentheses is because I'm going to replace my x with these numbers in a bit, okay? So again, this is input. My y's are outputs. All right, let's go ahead and start plugging these in. So we got negative 2. I'm going to plug in a 0. All right, negative 2 times 0, it's just 0. Plus 2, well, it's just 2. All right, let's plug in this next one. I'm going to plug in my 1. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Plus 2, well, guess what? That makes a 0 pair. Negative 2 plus 2. Cancels. That's 0. All right, next one. Negative 2. This time I'm replacing it with a 3, okay? All right, here you go. Negative 2 times 3, that gives you a negative 6. Plus 2, so let me write this out. Different signs, right? So that means these are going to subtract. So it's going to give me a 4. But what kind of 4? Well, the 6 is a bigger absolute value. So I'm going to keep the sign of the 6. Okay, there's my negative 4. Now, the reason why I wanted to show you guys the 3 is because if I go back and I plot these points in my graph, it should be on my line. So let me start with the 1, okay? X is 1. Let's see. Here's my X axis, right? There's my 1. When X is 1, Y is 0. That means I'm not going up or down on the Y. I'm not going up. So there it is. This is 1, 0. If I want to plot this one, my X is 3. There it is. There's 3 on my X. And my Y is -4. That means I'm going to move down to -4. There you go. You see, it is right on the line. 3, -4. That's my point. These are ordered pairs, and they should fall on my line, okay? That's how you can check and see if these points work, because they're all on this line, okay?